ka Bobita Sharma, ka media coordinator jo ki Aicc, ha ka arpo kandaitrik uluber kla wan Shillong, panpin pau ka Pyrshah halor ka Jingshah Weng Dkhot Rahul Gandhi na ka Lok Sabha. Ha ka ni ka singi lai don langru uba RV Lingdo MLA ka Milliam uba Charles Marngar bar kibe de kinong yalam ke MPCC.
You are all aware about the disqualification of Shri Rahul Gandhi, our leader, from Parliament. You have seen how Rahul ji has been relentlessly talking about issues that are touching the common man every day, whether it is price rise, whether it is unemployment, whether it is related to security of women, whether it is tribal rights, whether it is rights of the small businesses, everything that touches a common man, he is the most vocal voice of the opposition today. Most importantly, he has also talked extensively and questioned extensively on the Adani scam. You know that Adani group of companies have been protected by the Modi government for reasons best known to them, despite them having scams after scams. Even after the Hindenburg research issue had come up, and there were talks of shell companies and their involvement in that, and also about the 20,000 crores of money that has been found to be involved in that scam. And the parliament, our party has demanded in parliament a joint parliamentary committee, a joint JPC to discuss the matter, but his voice and our party's voice have been obliterated. When Rahul Gandhi ji had taken out a picture of Mr. Adani along with Mr. Modi and tried to show and ask questions, and all just questions, justified questions, he was not allowed to speak. His voice, his speeches were expunged. And 9 days after that, we see an old case coming up where in 2019 he had given a speech in Kolar in Karnataka while talking about price rise and unemployment. He mentioned that why most thieves have the surname of Modi, Nirav Modi, Lalit Modi. Why? That was a valid question. And we see that in that year, a BJP MLA had filed a case against him, a defamation suit, which was at that time not accepted. And within that time, that same person had also taken away that case. But immediately after, 9 days after Rahul ji raised that question again on Adani, on the relationship between Mr. Modi and Adani, 9 days after, that old case was again taken up. And in a very lightning speed, it was taken up. I will give you the chronology later on. I just want to give you the gist of the matter as of now. And while it was taken up, the court also gave the order. The court usually gives you 30 days to appeal. But even before the 30 days were completed, not even started, the Lok Sabha took the step of disqualification, and on an issue which does not have to be a criminal defamation. Usually it is not done in a criminal defamation. You don't give the highest punishment for that of 2 years, and then you are disqualified for 8 years to contest elections. But it was done at a lightning speed. That is the main issue that we are trying to address, why it was done so. Because Rahul Gandhi ji had spoken about the truth. This is done to divert attention from the actual issue. What is the actual issue? The Adani issue, the relationship between Adani and Modi issue. The big scam of Adani the shell companies, to 20,000 crores of scam. You must be all aware that the Adani group of companies have been taking up companies after companies. The Ambuja Cement Company, NDTV. No, there's a long list. Where is the money coming from? He has taken loan from banks. And today, if you see the news, you will see that he had taken loan to buy the Ambuja Cement Company. And now he is requesting that he needs 5 years' time to repay the loan. So how much of loan he has taken to buy all these companies? Remember that Nirav Modi, Lalit Modi, they had also taken loans and they had fled the country. They are fraudsters. Rahul Gandhi spoke against these fraudsters. He did not speak against any community. He spoke against people who were thieves, who looted the country, who looted the country's banks, and they left the country. He spoke about them as thieves. So what guarantee is there that Adani will also land up in the same way as Nirav Modi or Lalit Modi? What guarantee is there? That is why the Congress party had demanded a JPC. That is why the Congress party had demanded that there should be discussion on the Adani matter in Parliament. But instead of doing that, they are targeting Rahul Gandhi so that people's attention is on Rahul Gandhi and not on Adani. But Congress party will not let that happen. We will take up the issue because it concerns the people of the country. You must be all aware that SBI and LIC are also involved because of the pressure of the Modi government. SBI and LIC are also involved in the Adani companies. And you must be aware that common man of this country invest a lot in SBI and LIC because they are credible companies.